Next we have spin and spin duplicates. Well, let's just do spin duplicates first. If we move this off of the origin or off of the center of the object, because it's going to rotate around that. So let's grab the move tool and just move it out of the way. And then we can spin duplicates. We can just grab one of these handles and rotate it around. Now, the way this works is you have your original object, and then you have 7 steps, right? Now, if we use duplicates or not, doesn't really seem to matter. But the way you would do this is we have 8 in total, so you would do however many you want. What is it? 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees, right? I mean, that was simple math. We didn't need to do that. So we could do 360 minus 45, and that'll give us the even rotation. Now, you can also rotate these around these other axes as well, right? We could set that back to 0 right here. And we're going to leave the Z alone. Well, we can re-zero the Z. And that's duplicates. Alright. So let's go ahead and delete this. Let's just add a plane and go into edit mode. Now let's add a loop right there, and then let's delete that edge here. So we'll delete that edge, and we'll delete, well, let's delete these vertices. Now we have an edge that we can use. So now we can go to spin, and right now it's dead center, right? So that's not going to do us any good. So let's move that down on the Y, and now if we spin it 360 degrees, we get the ability to close the loop. Now we can also say, hey, we only need, this is where this comes in handy for, we know that 90 times 3 is 270, so we can get that in there as well. Now, we can also, I can't think today, we can also do this with an object. So if we go into edit mode and we take this face and let's come up here, and we'll cover these in more detail, but right now our cursor's dead center, so let's just take that S, X, and 0. Now let's delete that face, and then we can delete these faces. Well, let's just delete this face. Let's delete these vertices, right? That leaves us this whole edge, right? So now we can do the same thing with this, as long as we back that off of the right.